Step through the looking glass and into an incredible psychic fair. On March 16th, an amazing array of tarot readers, mediums, Reiki healers, and many more are galumping into Wonderland to bring you messages and healing. Get inspired by a colorful collection of lighthearted lectures. Flower readings, tea readings, and a mad mediumship gallery will make this an event you won't forget. Dress your best for a mad tea party and try to escape the rabbit hole in an enchanting escape room. Everyone gets lost sometimes. Find your way on this frabjous day through the Spirit University's whimsical Wonderland at the Through the Looking Glass Psychic Fair.